Hey North Bay business owners, whether you're in Solano, Marin, Napa, or Sonoma County, if you've been putting off building a website, today's your lucky day. Let me show you how to use AI to create a clean, professional landing page in just 5 minutes. Whether you run a boutique in Napa, a food truck in Vallejo, a vineyard in Sonoma, or a yoga studio in San Rafael, this easy trick will help your business stand out online. Step 1. Choose your AI tool. Head to durable.co, or try tools like Hostinger AI Builder or Bookmark. We'll use Durable for this demo because it's quick and easy to use. Step 2. Describe your business. Type in your business name, your industry, and your city. Example: North Bay Blooms, a florist in Santa Rosa. Step 3. Customize it. Change the text, swap out photos, update your CTA. You can say things like book now or order online. It's all drag and drop, no design skills needed. Step 4. Hit publish. Once you're happy, click publish and your site is live. It works on phones, tablets, and desktops. Why this matters? Small businesses in Petaluma, Fairfield, Mill Valley, or American Canyon can now have beautiful websites without spending thousands on a web developer. Try it out today. It's free to start. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Want help? I've got you. Subscribe, and follow for more AI tips for North Bay entrepreneurs. Let's grow smart, together.